In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manual payment method on your Shopify store, specifically using the Cash App. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for store owners looking to provide more flexible payment options to their customers. So let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Shopify's homepage. If you're not already there, open your web browser and type in shopify.com to access the Shopify platform. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your store's admin dashboard, where you'll find all your store management tools in one place. Now that you're in the Shopify dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see the Settings option. Click on it to open up a new set of options within your store settings. This section serves as the control center for various features, including payments, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for and click on the Payments button. This will show you all the available payment methods, giving you the option to add new ones or manage existing ones. Shopify accommodates a variety of payment solutions, making it easy to integrate new methods as your business grows. In the Payments section, scroll down to find the Manual Payment Methods section and click on Add Manual Payment Method. This option allows you to enable alternative methods for customers who prefer to pay outside traditional online transactions like credit or debit cards. Adding a manual payment method is a simple way to accept direct payments, checks, or other non-digital transactions, in this case using the Cash App. At this point, you'll need to manually input your Cash App details. You might be required to enter specific information about how your customers can pay you through the Cash App, such as your Cash App ID or other relevant instructions. Make sure to double-check these details to ensure everything is accurate and clear for your customers. Providing straightforward instructions will help prevent any confusion during payment and enhance the user experience. After you've entered all the necessary information, go ahead and review everything to make sure it looks exactly how you want it to appear to your customers. When you're satisfied with the setup, confirm the addition of this payment method by saving your changes. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully added a manual payment method via the Cash App to your Shopify store. This will not only offer your customers additional payment flexibility, but also potentially boost your sales by accommodating a broader range of purchasing preferences. Remember, always keep your payment information up to date and test the method yourself to ensure everything functions smoothly from start to finish. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy selling.